for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Hyundai Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 mpg. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, front wheel drive, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, electronic stability control, daytime running lights, alarm. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.